Have you ever wondered why some people seem to effortlessly maintain a healthy weight and radiate vitality? If you've been pondering this, then you're not alone. Many are on a quest to unlock the secret to optimal health and well-being. One lifestyle choice that has been gaining traction is the ketogenic diet, commonly known as the keto diet. So, what is this diet that's been creating a buzz in the health and wellness realm? The ketogenic diet is a unique approach to eating that calls for a high intake of fats, a moderate intake of proteins, and a very low intake of carbohydrates. Yes, you heard it right. This diet encourages you to consume more fats, a macronutrient often demonized in traditional dietary guidelines. The magic of the ketogenic diet lies in its ability to shift your body's metabolic state. By significantly reducing your carbohydrate intake, your body is nudged out of its comfort zone. Instead of relying on glucose from carbohydrates for energy, it's forced to tap into a different energy source, your body's stored fats. This shift in metabolism leads your body into a state known as ketosis. Ketosis is like a secret door. Once you pass through it, you unlock a realm of potential health benefits. But it's not as simple as just eating more fats and fewer carbs. The journey to ketosis requires a careful and deliberate balance of your macronutrient intake. The ketogenic diet, therefore, is more than just a diet. It's a lifestyle choice that calls for mindfulness, dedication, and a willingness to listen to your body. It challenges conventional wisdom about what it means to eat healthily and invites you to explore a different path towards vitality and well-being. But what exactly is ketosis, and how does it contribute to your well-being? Let's explore. As we delve deeper into the world of the ketogenic diet, we'll uncover the science behind ketosis, the benefits it brings, and how you can embark on your own keto journey. So sit back, relax, and get ready to unveil the mystery of the keto diet. Ketosis, a term you've likely heard but may not fully understand. What happens to your body when it enters this state? Let's peel back the layers of this metabolic phenomenon. Ketosis is a metabolic state where your body, in the absence of enough carbohydrates for energy, starts to burn fat instead. Picture this, you're on a road trip and you've run out of snacks. But wait, you've got a cooler full of food in the trunk. That's essentially what your body does in ketosis. It taps into the stored fat, the cooler in the trunk of our metaphorical car when it runs out of dietary carbs, the snacks. But how does the body use fat for energy? It's quite a marvel of biology. When you reduce your carbohydrate intake, your body needs to find a new source of fuel. This is where the liver steps in. It begins to convert fat into molecules called ketones. These ketones serve as mini power plants, providing energy to your body and brain. In the modern world, food, especially carbohydrates, is rarely in short supply. This is why our bodies typically use carbs, not fat, for energy. But by intentionally lowering our carb intake, we can trigger ketosis and tap into the fat-burning benefits it offers. It's important to note that while the science of ketosis is fascinating, it's not a one-size-fits-all solution. Everyone's body is different, and what works for one person might not work for another. But for many, the benefits of entering a state of ketosis can be life-changing. While it sounds simple, the effects of this process on the body are profound and far-reaching. So stay tuned as we dive deeper into the ketogenic diet and its potential benefits in the next scene. You're now aware that the ketogenic diet drives your body into ketosis, but how does this affect your health and well-being? The ketogenic diet is a treasure trove of benefits, each one a golden nugget of wellness that has the potential to transform your life. Let's dive deeper and uncover these fascinating gems together. First up, weight loss. The ketogenic diet shifts your body's fuel source from carbohydrates to fats, thus turning your body into a fat-burning machine, even when you're resting. This is because fat is a more energy-dense source, meaning you burn more calories when you metabolize it. So, if you've been battling with those stubborn pounds, the ketogenic diet could be your knight in shining armor. Next, improved energy levels. Ever experience those energy slumps in the middle of the day? They're often due to fluctuations in blood sugar levels caused by a diet high in carbohydrates. With the ketogenic diet, your body maintains a steady supply of fuel, ketones, providing you with consistent energy throughout the day. No more mid-afternoon crashes or energy lulls. Then, there's the benefit of enhanced mental clarity. The brain loves ketones. They provide a more efficient fuel source than glucose, leading to better cognitive performance. People on the ketogenic diet often report sharper focus, better memory, and increased creativity. The foggy brain feeling that many of us know all too well can become a thing of the past. But the wonders of the ketogenic diet don't stop there. It's also been associated with potential health benefits, such as improved heart health and better blood sugar control. High in healthy fats, the ketogenic diet can lead to a decrease in bad cholesterol levels and an increase in good cholesterol levels, promoting heart health. Moreover, by reducing the intake of carbohydrates, the ketogenic diet helps maintain stable blood sugar levels, which can be beneficial for people with diabetes or those at risk. You may be wondering, but is there scientific evidence supporting these benefits? Absolutely. Numerous studies have shown the effectiveness of the ketogenic diet in promoting weight loss, improving cognitive function, and managing health conditions such as epilepsy, diabetes, and even certain types of cancer. However, it's important to remember that while the ketogenic diet has numerous benefits, it may not be suitable for everyone, and it's always best to consult with a healthcare professional before making any significant changes to your diet. The ketogenic diet is more than just a diet, it's a lifestyle that can drastically improve your quality of life. Embracing the ketogenic lifestyle is not just about losing weight or achieving short-term goals. It's about making a long-term commitment to your health and well-being. It's about becoming the best version of yourself. And isn't that worth striving for? So, you're intrigued by the ketogenic diet and its benefits, but how do you get started? Well, the first step on this fascinating journey is to adjust your dietary intake. At its core, the ketogenic diet is about reducing your carbohydrate intake, increasing your healthy fat consumption, and maintaining a moderate level of protein in your meals. So let's break that down. Reducing carbohydrates is critical. Typically, you'll want to aim for about 20 to 50 grams of net carbs per day. This means cutting back on foods like bread, pasta, and sugary snacks. You might be surprised at how many carbs are hidden in everyday foods. Next, you'll want to ramp up your intake of healthy fats. This doesn't mean you should start chowing down on bacon and butter. Instead, focus on rich in healthy fats, such as avocados, nuts, and seeds, and oils like olive and coconut. These will become your primary source of energy, so don't shy away from them. Lastly, maintain a moderate protein consumption. While protein is essential for muscle maintenance and growth, an overconsumption can knock you out of ketosis. So aim for a moderate intake with lean meats, poultry, and fish as excellent sources. But remember, everyone's body is unique, and what works for one person may not work for another. It's crucial to do your own research, understand your body's needs, and consult with a healthcare provider before diving into the ketogenic diet. This is not a one-size-fits-all journey. It's a personalized adventure, tailored to your body, your goals, and your health. It's about finding what works best for you, and using that to fuel your journey to better health. So take the time to educate yourself, read up on the science, understand the process, and arm yourself with knowledge. And when you're ready, take that first step. It might seem daunting, but remember, every journey starts with a single step. Embarking on the keto journey requires commitment, but the potential benefits make it a journey worth undertaking. You're not alone in this. There's a whole community of keto enthusiasts out there. Indeed, embarking on a ketogenic journey doesn't mean going it alone. A vibrant, supportive community is just a click away, ready to share their experiences, offer advice, and cheer you on. Imagine swapping recipe ideas that make your taste buds dance while keeping you in ketosis. Picture yourself reading success stories that inspire you to keep going, even on tough days. There are countless resources available to you. Books that delve into the science of keto, blogs that share creative meal plans, forums where you can ask questions and share your triumphs. This community is your support system, your sounding board, your cheer squad. It's a place where you can learn, grow, and celebrate your victories, no matter how small they may seem. Join the Keto Community in the link in the description for a custom keto plan tailored to you and start your journey to better health and well-being. Remember to like, subscribe, and comment below about your thoughts on the ketogenic diet. Let's embark on this journey together.